In this video, I'm going to show you how to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. This is a simple and effective way to keep your important messages organized and safely backed up in the cloud. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Microsoft account. This step is important because both Outlook and OneDrive are part of the same system. If you're not already logged in, head to the Microsoft sign-in page, enter your details, and access your account. Once you're in, open the app launcher by clicking the grid icon in the top left corner. From there, select Outlook to open your inbox. Now, go through your emails and choose the ones you want to save. After selecting them, click on the three-dot menu in the toolbar to open more options. From the list, choose Download as MSG to save the emails to your computer. Next, switch over to OneDrive. You can access it from the app launcher or by searching for it in your browser. Once OneDrive is open, go to the My Files section. Here, choose a folder where you want to store your emails or create a new one if needed. Inside the folder, click on Upload and then select Files. A File Explorer window will appear. Locate the MSG files you downloaded earlier, select them and upload them to OneDrive. And that's it! Your emails are now securely stored in OneDrive and can be accessed anytime you need them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.